Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future video. So in today's video, I'm really excited to be showcasing my next mod for my 2019 Mustang GT. And this time, it's the window tint. I finally got my windows tinted on my 2019 Mustang GT, as you can see from here. I personally went with 20% all around with no windshield tint. In my opinion, that's probably the best way to go about it, because as you get darker and darker, you can get in trouble with the cop. And definitely windshield, at least in my estate, is a big no-no, especially if you're daily driving the car. So this mod I've been wanting to do on my 2019 Mustang GT since I've gotten it. I was supposed to get it last summer, but with everything happening, I just did not feel comfortable leaving my car in the shop for too long, someone being sitting in there working on the window tints. So it kind of got pushed. The car wasn't being driven that much, so I didn't really care for it much. But now this summer I was like, you know what? I am not going to let that hold me. I'm going to go ahead and get my windows tinted. And that's exactly what I did. So I went ahead, got 20% window tint all around, and let me show you how that looks. Alright, so in my opinion it looks amazing. You can see I already had a black accent package, which means my wheels, badges were already blacked out, including the roof. So with the window tint coming in, it just makes the car look that much better. As you can see, it's not actually too dark. I mean, it's dark obviously from the back, you really can't see much unless there's sunlight, then you're completely fine. However, if you look on the side, you can easily peek into the interior and you can see all of that. It's pretty visible. You can see the steering wheel, the seats, and everything. So it's dark, but it's not too dark where you would get into trouble with the cops. And obviously right now it's pretty cloudy, so on a sunny day you can easily see in. On a sunny day it's a lot better where you can easily see in. It's still dark, but it's not dark where it's gonna get you in trouble. And obviously, like I said, I did not get my windshield tinted, so there it is, the windshield. You can definitely, let me just switch up the angle here. There we go. So you can easily see inside through the windshield. On a sunny day, obviously it's going to be a lot more light in, making the cabin look a little bit brighter. But you can see my paddle shifter extension that I recently got for my car as well. But yeah, in my opinion, it looks very good. Really completes the look with the red and black contrast. You can see the wheels, the badging, and now finally got the window tints. Look at that. I mean, I think in my opinion, it looks really great. Aside from obviously the aesthetic, it has done very great in terms of keeping the heat out of the cabin. So now in the summer months when I'm driving it, especially at the peak of the sunlight, I don't have to worry about it. My steering wheel doesn't get too hot. Shifter knob also looks okay. It doesn't get too hot. It is hot, but it's not too hot, because I did go with the regular window tints as opposed to carbon or ceramic, which were a lot costlier, and I didn't think they would be needed for my application. With the 20% tints all around too, the driving at nighttime is also not any worse than what it would be with any type of regular tint. So I've been driving this thing at night and I've had no issue with visibility. If anything, it reduces the glare from all these aftermarket HIDs that you see in Honda Civics. But overall, it looks very great. No issue with drivability. Aesthetics wise, really good. And also does a great job with the heat rejection, so your cabin is not too hot in the summer months. I plan on doing an in-depth video on all different sorts of types of tin. There are three main ones: regular, carbon, and ceramic. I've been doing a lot of research before I got this window, or before I got my 2019 Mustang GT tinted. So I'll be doing an in-depth video, just kind of explain the differences and what you guys should go with, and also different types of percentage of tints and what you can personally get away with in terms of legality, depending on your state law. Well guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to announce my second or third mod rather on my 2019 Mustang GT, what is a windshield tint, or not a windshield tint, window tint. Like I said, I did not get my windshield tinted. They're completely normal stock. Rest of it is 20%. In my opinion, looks amazing. But aside from aesthetics, obviously it keeps the cabin cooler. So I highly recommend getting your windows tinted. Stay tuned for the videos on in-depth knowledge on the window tint that I'll be posting very soon. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and comment below what you think about window tinting. Should the cars becoming stock with some of the window tints? And as always, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.